Hello everyone, I want to share my experience at the CK Birla Hospital in Gurgaon. मेरा ACL tear हुआ था मेरे knee में 2019 में and I'm getting this treated in the year 2021 in the month of March. And I want to share that my experience has been fantastic. I was given Dr. Rohit Lamba. He collaborated with Dr. Saurabh Chandra and they took care of the surgery. It went on for almost 4 hours. The surgery was done very precisely and very carefully. They gave a lot of attention to detail to make sure that the correct treatment is given to me.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rohit Lamba. I'm a consultant orthopedic surgeon working at CK Birla Hospital. Today we're going to talk about a patient, a young 26-year-old who was an active athlete and into gymming and kickboxing as well. During one of these things, he hurt his knee badly. Around 2 years back, while doing kickboxing, he had a bad injury to his knee, and which caused a damage to the ligament and the meniscus inside the knee. The difficult challenge in this surgery was, along with our routine ACL reconstruction, we had to salvage or repair as much as the meniscus as possible, because this meniscus, as I said, that this is an important shock absorber inside the joint. So during normal tears and the tears that are left unattended, left untreated for many years, they become irreparable, and we have to take out most of that torn part. So that in a very young 26-year-old would be tragic, because obviously then you are more at prone of developing arthritis early on in your life. So we went in with an arthroscopy, had a quick look. There was a small little part which was damaged beyond repair. We just had to shave that off. But most of the meniscus was found to be repairable. So we used special stitches which are called all-inside repair system. And with that we were able to salvage almost 80 to 90% of his torn meniscus, which should give him a good outcome.
I would like to thank Dr. Saurabh Chandra and Dr. Rohit Lamba for this great effort, and the team apart from the doctors as well, जिन्होंने मेरे को बहुत personal attention दिया. पर्सनली हर थोड़ी देर में रूम में आके चेक करते रहे मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है, कोई पेन तो नहीं हो रहा, या मेरे ड्रिप में कोई कमी तो नहीं है, कोई भी चीज़ में मतलब कहीं कोई कमी नहीं आने दी. बहुत ज़्यादा पर्सनल अटेंशन दिया गया. Apart from that, I also want to say that the hospital staff has been great. The hospital is very neat and tidy, infection free. Especially during the time of COVID, the doctors and the hospital need to ensure that हॉस्पिटल में कोई भी तरीके की कोई बीमारी किसी को ट्रांसफ़र ना हो, तो इन चीज़ों को बहुत ध्यान दिया गया है. तो ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस वेंट ऑसम.
Along with that, arthroscopically we made the new ligament, which would be a strong joint between the two bones, one at the top at the bottom, and should provide him a stable knee. And within 6 months time, after having done a good rehab and physiotherapy, he should be ready to resume his sports, his gymming and everything that he wants in life. So quite a good outcome for now, and very thankful. Thank you so much.